third question suggests that iron is transition metal in group 8 of the periodic table. Explain why iron having a variable oxidation states. So variable oxidation state means that it's about group number 8 and transition metal. So transition metals are only possible to make the variable oxidation state once they have incomplete d subshell. So you can write the answer of that because it has incomplete d subshell. So it can make more than one stable ion. Because of incompleteness of d subshell. So whenever the transition metal oxidation state is variable, you need to explain, and you have to explain that in a meaning, like they have d subshells incomplete, so they can form many stable ion by losing or gaining electrons more than one. Electronic configuration of that iron and Fe3 positive ion, you need to show it. This is iron, so you know that iron having oxidation state that is maybe positive, maybe 3 positive, or maybe 2 positive. It can show variable states. Here you need to write down the electronic configuration for iron first. It's not about iron, so you can write 4s2 3d6 and iron 3 positive. Once it loses the 3 electrons from the d shell, that would becomes 3d6, means it will lose 2 electrons from that oxygen, means in the first shell of S, and 1 electron it will lose from the d shell. So that would becomes 4s completely lost and 3d5 because 3 electrons are lost. So that will be the variable electronic configuration for iron 3 positive. 3d5. An aqueous solution of iron contains the complexes. When the solution of KCN and iron with the presence of 6 molecules of water are mixed, the color is observed to be changed. When the red complex is forms, define the definition of complex. Like what does mean by complex? So complex could be defined as a compound that formed when a central metal atom or ion is surrounded by ligands, then it shows the definition of complex. State the oxidation number of iron in that ligand or a complex structure. So you need to find how many ligands are surrounding the iron. Iron is metal and water molecule is acting to be ligand. So how many molecules of water or ligands are there to surround the central metal? You can see there seems to be 6. So its coordination number would be 6. Okay. Next is the water molecule. The bond angle in the water is 104.5, and the other angle for that ligand complex is you need to write, and also with the explanation. So you can explain or you can write the angle. Bond angle will be 107.5 degree, or you can also write just only 107 degree, as it is forming a complex in which it forms 3 bonds, and lone pair is present on the oxygen. Lone pair is present over oxygen. Because of more repulsion, lone pair on oxygen is present. Also, you are writing the bond angle for complex. So more repulsion due to the presence of lone pair over water, and although this is forming a 3 ions with it, means 3 bonds. So that's why more repulsion, so bond angle will increase between hydrogen and oxygen. So its angle will become 107.5 instead of 104.5.